Life-affirming is God-affirming. In my vocabulary, God is life, life is God. They're synonymous and carries none of the connotations of the word God or life, for that matter, that most people cling to. Life-affirming is God-affirming, is love-affirming, is truth-affirming, truth-affirming. A relative truth is truth-affirming. Small t, capital T. So even a relative truth isn't set in opposition of anything. It is set in affirmation of love. Even a relative truth is not true if it isn't life-affirming. If it isn't in love, even in the relative, if it isn't in love, it isn't true, not even in a small truth, not even in a subjective or relative truth. You cannot hate hate and be in love and truth. It's not possible. This you must know, because this, often called my truth, and as that, people proclaim it to be the truth, is not only not true, it is actually antithetical to truth. If it isn't in love, it is completely devoid of truth.